Hey guys, Mrs. Van Dyke here. I just wanted to come on and do a little Flipgrid tutorial. Oh wait, it's Crazy Hat Day. Or not Crazy Hat, but your favorite hat. So let me put on my favorite hat. How do I look? It's my favorite hat. I love this hat. Okay, there. Got my hat on. And yeah, I just wanted to walk through how to do Flipgrid. Not every can-do will be using a Flipgrid, but when it is, I want you guys to be comfortable with using Flipgrid. It's totally safe. The link that I provide is just for us, okay, so no one else can get on the link. So here we go. Ready? So just kind of watch the screen as I get to it. This is your Google Classroom, okay, with Miss Kolstad and I. And you just obviously click on classroom or classwork, scroll down to can-dos, and here's your next can-do that is going to post soon. Okay, so it says Flipgrid can-do. So you just come down here, read the instructions first. Hey guys, let's get used to Flipgrid. Completing this can-do will get you 25 points. Click the link below. Here's the password, Van Dyke 3 for 3rd grade. And then watch my video. I already posted a video. Okay, so you can go on, you can click, you'll see my picture and you can click on it. I'll show you here obviously. And then you can start recording your own. Yeah, let's see if I have I do have the points up. So far, here's the points, the can-do points. Looks like Hudson, Madison, Jaden, Zyra, you guys are all tied so far for doing can-dos. Isabella, you're close. There's a couple others. If you've already, this isn't the final list here, so don't worry. If you've done a can-do and you don't see points up, I haven't completed them yet, so don't worry. But I just want to let you guys know that this is how I'm keeping track. Okay, so this needs to be updated. I know, so don't worry if you see your name with 0, and I just haven't added all the points yet. But anyway, here that is. Okay, so let's go back to Flipgrid. You will click here on the link below, and then the directions said to type in the password, which was capital V ANDY KE, and then 3. Okay, you can click on this little eyeball. Yep, got it right. All right, so let's go. And it takes you to the can-do Flipgrid page. And you can kind of just scroll. It says, let's get used to Flipgrid. Say hi and tell me what you miss most about Legacy. Okay, so keep scrolling. Oh, there's my video. Okay, so when you go on to Flipgrid, this is what you'll see. Again, it's just for us. No one else can see it. You can click this picture right here and watch my video. And then when you're ready to record, you can click this one right here. This green button, sorry. Let me see if it'll let me record even though I'm doing a screencast here. Let me see. Okay, yeah. Wow, so it's like screen on screen. Okay, so let me see if it'll record. Okay, so yeah, we're testing this out. Guys, if you can see up in the corner, it's counting here. Let me point with my cursor here. It's counting down. So it lets you know, okay, I have 2 minutes to record. This is how much time I have left. So record your video. Love you guys. Miss you guys. Okay, if you mess up, you could click right here, redo, and it'll ask you, are you sure you want to redo it? And you say yes. So you click it and then you redo it. Okay, you redo your video. Okay, these are just like little stickers, stuff that you can put on. Okay, searching for stickers to put on your video. Okay, let's go back here. If you want to pause it, so you could pause the video and then go change real quick if you want to change your outfit or something, fix your hair, okay, whatever, and then you could even push play again and you're you don't have a hat on now, or you edited it somehow. Okay, so I'm going to pause it again, put my hat back on, and keep playing. Okay, but again, look up here, I only have a minute left now. Okay, so I mean 2 minutes is a long time. Okay, so I'm done with my video. So then you would come over here, or no, sorry, push pause. Okay, I'm done with my video. So I'm going to click next. Let's see if it, there we go, I'll move that. Okay, so yeah, we're testing this out. Okay, see now you see it. I don't want to watch it again. So I'm going to click next. I just keep clicking next until now it says take a selfie to like add to the front of your video. Okay, so here, let me move this back down. So I'm going to add a selfie. So click. Okay, it's kind of off screen. That's okay. But before you click next, or look, you can redo your selfie. Let's redo my selfie. Here, wait, let's get in the picture there. Ready? Click. All right. That was me saying click, by the way. I don't know if you're such a nerd. Okay, so now that I did my selfie, you could say, well, Mrs. Van Dyke, how'd you put glasses on you? Well, you can go to stickers, you can type something, you can filter it, like I'm gonna add like maybe make it like kind of pinkish. Let's go to stickers. Okay, I already have a hat on. So maybe let's do, oh, how about a beard, huh? Oh gosh, it'll go well with my hat. So you can kind of adjust it there. Let's make it a little smaller. And then look, I need to tilt it because my head's kind of tilted, huh? Okay, whoops, not that. I want to move the whole thing. Wait, how do I? There we go. Okay, and then like that. Boom, got my beard. You could draw, so you could use this cursor to like draw. Let's see, paint, and oh, you can do a photo, but you don't have to do that. It's kind of more difficult. So I would just stick to like the stickers. Like I said, there's a lot. If I want like emojis, there's emojis over here. Okay. So yeah. So yeah, these are all great emojis, like the animal ones. Okay. Yeah, and it's all very like legacy appropriate. Okay, don't be silly in your videos. I mean, we're being silly with the stickers here, but you know, you want to you know, like I said, be legacy appropriate. But all these stickers, all these stickers are fine. You can type if you want to type something like hey guys. Or no, I should put, because I have a hat and beard. Howdy guys. So I'll just put howdy. Okay, and I can do that. And actually, let me move it over here. Maybe tilt it a little. And then do that. Howdy. Alright. Okay. So I think I'm done with my selfie. Let's click next. So I click next and it says don't close your window. Don't close this yet. Okay, up here don't close it until it says 100%. Okay, now it says submit your video. I'm going to put Mrs. Van Dyke. And then the title is Flipgrid tutorial. Okay? You don't need to put a link here. That's, yeah. And then it says submit video. So submit your video. And yay! Congrats, it's been submitted. And then you click right here, complete. Okay. Alright, so look, now I have 2 videos up. So when you go on this tomorrow, it'll be posted, sorry, right now for you guys, but I'm recording this ahead of time. You'll be able to watch this, click on this first, and then it's a little tutorial. This link that I'm going to provide, and then this is the one that I miss you guys video. Okay, and then right here this green button is how you record your own. Again, everything is legacy appropriate. Make sure when you're recording your videos you're not being silly. Let's see, be nice to each other. I think there's an option here. I would have to go on and see, but I think you can comment on each other's videos like, hey guys, miss you guys. Okay, but again, let's be nice and uplifting. Okay, no bringing each other down. Just let each other know how much we miss each other, and just, yeah, can't wait to see everyone again. Okay, so I hope you have fun with Flipgrid. Yeah, super fun. All right, bye guys.